School. Those who have not liked and subscribed my channel, please like and subscribe. So today we are going to learn a topic called as joins. What is a join, when we use, and where in the real time we will use the joins, the types of join like Cartesian join, equi-join, self-join, outer join. And outer join is further divided into three: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So first we will learn what is a join. So join is nothing but a method to retrieve data from two or more tables. So join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables. Okay, so join is a method to retrieve data from two or more tables. That means if I want our data from 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, 100 tables, 1000 tables, n number of tables, we will use what? Joins. Now joins is of 4 types. First is the Cartesian join. Next is the equi-join, also called as inner join. Next is the self join. Last is the outer join. Now this outer join is divided into 3 types: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So first thing we are going to learn is nothing but your Cartesian join, which is based on the Cartesian product. Cartesian product means there are 2 sets. Suppose there is set 1 having values 1, 2 and 3. There is set 2. Set 2 is having a value of suppose 3, 4. Now Cartesian join means each and every members of set 1 will be multiplied with each and every members of set 2. That means 1 will be multiplied to 3, 1 will be multiplied to 4, 2 will be multiplied to 3, 2 will be multiplied to 4, 3 will be multiplied to 3, and 3 will be multiplied to 4. So if you see, the total output is nothing but 6. So we also tell the order of set 1 is multiplied to order of set 2. Order means the number of elements. Here there are how many elements? Here there are 3 elements. Here there are 2 elements. 3 into 2 equal to 6. So that is what is Cartesian join. It's the Cartesian product of set 1 and set 2. That means if in a table there are 2 records, if in table B, that is the another table, there are 3 records, the output of both these tables will be 2 into 3, that is nothing but the 6. This is what is the Cartesian join. Is the Cartesian product of table 1 and table 2. So this is the first thing we have to know when we are learning Cartesian join. So first is, what is a join? Join is a method to retrieve data from 2 or more tables. Now when we tell that to join is a method to retrieve data from 2 or more tables, then the things come, how this join will happen. This join will happen based on a common column. Common column means the data in those 2 tables should be same. Column name can be different. If this is a table 1 and this table 2, let me just illustrate with an example. So suppose this is a EMP table and this is a, one second, let me just clean my board. Yeah, this is EMP table and there is columns like employee number, employee name and department number, and there is a table called as department table which is having columns department name and department number. So what will happen is, suppose employee number 1, 2, 3, employee name A, B, C, and department number 10, 20, 30. Department name is, suppose department name is suppose some department name HR, some department name like security, So all these are nothing but a department name, and department number is suppose 30 and 40. So now when I tell Cartesian join of EMP and department table, so there are how many records in table EMP? There are 3 records in EMP table. How many records in department table? There are 2 records. So what will be the Cartesian join of table 1 and table 2? It will be 3 into 2. How many records will come? 6 records. Okay. So this is what is Cartesian join. Now how we write the query when we want to retrieve the data from table 1 and table 2 using Cartesian join. So what we will do is the query how we write is, suppose we want all the records from table 1 and table 2 using Cartesian join. So what we write, first select star from which table? EMP table, and we will write what? Comma DEPT. That means we want what? All the records from which table? EMP and department table. This is comma called is what? Nothing but your Cartesian join. Okay. So there is one more method. This is method 1 if I write. This is method 1 to write the query of the Cartesian join. So there is something called as method 2. So method 2 is what? We will actually write the Cartesian join or cross product instead of comma. Okay. So method 1 is using comma. Okay. Now we will learn something called as method 2. Select star from EMP. We can write cross join DEPT. So what happens? This is Cartesian join of what? Employee and the department team. Okay. This is method 1. This is method 2. We can follow any method. Okay. So this is called as Oracle native method. This is called as Oracle proprietary method. Any method we can follow. Oracle native method, we have provided the name of that particular join, cross join or Cartesian join. Here we just give comma. Okay. So this is the way to write the Cartesian join. All the records, star means all the record from EMP table, comma DEPT table. So the output of this particular query when I execute, what will be the output? If I write here the output, give me the output. What will be the output? There will be how many columns? 5 columns. What will be the column? Suppose I write the output. So what will be the this is the query. This portion I will just remove it so that I can show you the output. So if I wanted to show you the output, so let me just clean my board. So if I wanted the output of EMP and department table using what? Cartesian join. So the output will be what? It will have how many columns? 5 columns. Which are the column? Employee number. First column will be nothing but your employee number, and then it will be what? Employee name, employee number, then it will be what? Employee name, then it will be what? It will be what? Department name, then it will be department number and department number. Okay, so first the output will come is what? Is nothing but your employee number is nothing but your 1. Now 1, and then this is the record A, and then the department name. Okay, department name is nothing but your department name is nothing but, suppose first I write the department number, EMP table entire record, and then the department table will take the record, suppose D name. Okay, so department 10, and if I take D name, that means this first record will multiply to this particular record, so it will be HR and the output will be 10. Again this particular record will be multiplied to this one, so what will be the output? 1A, then 10, then security, then the output will be what? 40. And similarly this particular record will be multiplied to this and this. Similarly this particular record will be multiplied to this and this. So what will be the output? Just I will write down 2B 20, HR 10, like that. 2 B B20 and then security, and then it will be multiplied to what? 40, and again it will be what? 2 is multiplied to this and this, and now 3 will be multiplied. 3 will be multiplied to 3C30 will multiply to HR30, okay, and then this will be multiplied to 3C30, it will multiply to security 40. So what happened, guys? Just let us take 1, 8, 10 multiplied to HR, and this is not 10, this is what? 30, and then 1, 8, 10 is multiplied to security. 1, 8, 10 security 40. Now 2, the second record, 2B20 is multiplied to HR, and then the department number is 30, and again 2B20 is multiplied to this particular record, that is security 40, and then this third record 3C30 is multiplied to HR, and then this is 30, and again 3C30 is multiplied to security 40. That means the output of the total output is how many records? 6 records. Is it proved or not? That is, this is the order of table 1 is multiplied to order of table 2. Order of table 1 is nothing but 3. Order of table 2 is nothing but 2. So 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. All the records of table 1 is multiplied to all the records of table 2. So this is what is the Cartesian joint. We do not put any filter condition. You have to write the query. It's very, very easy. Select star from this table, comma this table, or select star from this table, Cartesian joint, department name, department table. Select star from EMP, cross joint, and then we can write what? Department. And then we can give a semicolon. We don't need to write any filter condition nowhere. Yeah, because all the records of table 1 is multiplied to all the records of table 2, so we will not write any filter condition. Is it clear? Yes. Now if I execute this program, so how to execute this program, and I wanted to show in the real time, so I will just show you in the projector after executing the queries. Let me just open, and let me just know that you are able to see the screen or not. Okay. Yeah. Is my screen visible? Yeah. So let us just start. Okay. No, I want to say select star from EMP. That means all the records of EMP and department table. So there are 14 records. If you see carefully, there are only 14 records in EMP table. Now I am going to write a query for department table. So select star from department table. If I write, can you see how many records are there in department table? If you see carefully, there are only 4 records. This is 14 records. This is 4 record. Cartesian product of 14 into 4 will be how much? It will be 56. Are you able to understand? This is 14 record. 14 into 4 is nothing but 56 record. The query will be select star from EMP, comma department, and the output will be 56 records. Let us just see that. Select star from EMP, comma DPT. Now the output will be how many records? Is it 56 record or not? Yes. This is what is happening, is all the records of EMP table got multiplied to all the records of department table, and we have got the output as 56 record. 14 records were there in EMP table, 4 records were there in department table. 14 into 4 is 56 record. We can also write in, I told you there are 2 methods, Oracle native and Oracle proprietary. This is Oracle proprietary method. If I go to Oracle native method, I will have to write the full name, that is select star from EMP cross join DPT, and then the output will be what? 14 into 4, nothing but 56 record. Let us see that. Select star from EMP, and we have to write cross join DPT, and the output will be same, 56 record. Can you see this? Yeah. So this is the query. Select star from EMP cross join DPT. This is one Oracle native method. We also saw using Oracle proprietary method. and we are getting the same record, same result. That means all the records of table 1 will be multiplied to all the records of table 2. That is what is cross join. We have discussed today what is a join. So join is a method to retrieve data from 2 or more tables using a common column. Common column is nothing but the data in those on those two tables should be same. Column name can be different. Okay. So in these joins we have learned only one join. That is nothing but the Cartesian join or cross join, which is based on the Cartesian product. That means table 1, all the records will be multiplied to table 2, all the records. This is completes the Cartesian join topic. Next topic we will learn is nothing but your equi-join and inner join, which is used in real time. So for that we have to go through my next video. And for today we have learned cross join. You can visit my next video on equi-join or inner join. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.